What if the most important meal you skip today quietly changes the way your brain thinks, your muscles perform, and even how your body stores fat? Every morning, millions of people rush out the door without breakfast. Some do it to save time. Others do it to lose weight. But have you ever wondered what actually happens inside your body during those hours when you refuse to eat? The answer is far more fascinating than most people realize. From the moment you wake up, your body begins a complex survival process that affects nearly every organ you have.
Are you a faceless YouTuber who has almost given up because most AI video generators that used to be free now are asking you to pay money? Most of the free tools that we use to generate videos are now on pay version. Okay, but you don't have to worry. Okay, don't give up yet, don't just leave yet. Watch this video till the end. You will see a trick I always use to create more than 20 videos in a day. Okay, because in this video I'm going to show you this trick that can help you create up to 20 to 30 videos using a free AI tools. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of watching me, I welcome you. Please like this video, share it, and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Now let me be clear, this is not magic, and I am not saying you will get unlimited access forever, but this method can help you to maximize a free AI tool and create more content without spending money. Yes, without spending money on subscription and all that. A lot of faceless YouTube creators struggle because of creating videos consistently require time, money, and subscription, because most of the AI tools now are on paid versions. Yes, many people stop because they can't avoid multiple AI tools every month. That is the truth. But with this trick I'm going to show you in this video, you can create several videos in a day, more than 20 to 30 videos. Okay, you can use it to grow your channel, improve your content workflow, and anything. Okay, so without wasting time, let me show you exactly how it works. Okay, now let's go to Google Chrome, because that's what you are going to use. If you don't have a Google Chrome, if you have that browser that you use, you go there. Okay, now you tap on Google Chrome. When you tap on Google Chrome, it will open. You go to the search button as always. You tap Google Flow AI. Okay, you send. Most of you must be familiar with this Google Flow. Okay, but I doubt if you know this trick. Yes, even if you are watching this, you know this trick. The next person watching this video may not know this trick. Okay, now once it opens, this is the Google Flow. Okay, it has many of them. You have to be sure of the one you're tapping. Okay, look at this first one here. Look at the logo. That's the one you're going to tap, the one that says Google Flow AI Creative Studio for video, image, and custom tools. Okay, you tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to take you to the interface of Google Flow. Okay, once it takes you there, yeah, you allow it to load. Okay, you allow it to load. You know, it will ask you to create with Google Flow. You create with Google Flow. You tap on it. You tap on it and it will load and open. Now this is my account. Okay, this is the account I have. I'm going to use one to show you this trick. Okay, now I count how many accounts I have here. I have up to 9 accounts here. Okay, now let's use this one. Use this one. Go to the main interface of Google Flow where you create your video. Okay, now guys, this is interface of Google Flow. We are here to create our video, image, or anything you want to create. Okay, now you tap on add new project. Once you tap on add new project, it will also open. Now once it's open, before you tap on new project, check how many credits you have here. Look at this. I have 50 Google Flow credits. Okay, this 50 Google credits is every day. They give it to your account every day. Okay, so if I use this one to create a video, they are going to give me another one tomorrow. Now you tap on new project. When you tap on new project, it takes you the main interface. You come down here, you see what do you want to create. Beside there, you see Nano Banana. Okay, now tap on Nano Banana. If you want to create video, it's tap on video and then you go to video. If you want to create image, you tap on image. Now when you tap on image, you choose your ratio size you want to use. Okay, either 16:9. We all know that 16:9 is YouTube long video. Then 9:16 is YouTube short. Instagram, Facebook reels and all that. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to click on video. Okay, the same thing goes to video. If you want to create video, YouTube long video, is you have to put it on 16:9. If you want to create YouTube short, you have to put it on 9:16. Okay, now look down here. Generating will use 24 credits. If you're generating video, it will take 24 credits. Look down here. Now if you are generating image, it will take 0 credits. This website, it can generate unlimited image using this website. Yes, as you can see here, we use 0 credit. Generating image here is totally free. Now we are going to go to video. Okay, now before you start creating your video, you must have get your script ready. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT so that we'll get my script ready. Okay guys, this is my ChatGPT. Okay, let me get my script. In my Faceless YouTube channel is on human anatomy. Okay, now this is my script. Okay, I just asked ChatGPT to give me a minute script on what happens when your kidney starts failing. Okay, I asked it to also give me image and video prompts. So many of you don't know this. Some generate their image separately, then go back and animate it or turn it to video. Guys, you can ask ChatGPT to give you your image and video prompts together, so that you go, if you're animating it, you use the right to animate your video and it come out clear. Okay, now this is a script and this is my image and video prompt sense by sense. Okay, now let me copy the first image and video prompts. I'm going to copy it together. Okay, now I copy this. Once I copy this, I go back to my Google Flow. Okay, I go back to my Google Flow. This is my Google Flow. Paste my script. Okay, and as you paste your scripts, look down here to be sure it's on video. Okay, now another thing you have to figure out is, if you are creating video, you have how many seconds it can give you. This video I'm creating now that is going to charge me 24 credits out of my 50 credits is going to be 8-second video. Okay, if you want to create that, you can tap on 10 seconds. If you type on 10 seconds, it's going to take you 30 credits. Okay, out of your 50 credit they give you in a day. Now if you want to go for 6 seconds, it will charge 20 credits. Okay, but I'm going for 8 seconds. Okay, now once you are done doing this, you send your script. Okay guys, the most amazing part of this is that it will generate 2 images or 2 videos for you to make your choice. Okay, now look at this particular one says, we notice some unusual activity, please visit the help center. Why this one is generating? So let me see if I can start this one again. Okay, it's generating again. Now just use a little time, it will generate. Okay, once it generates, it just choose this one is already on queue, it's working, while this one is still on 24%. Now guys, this is the trick you can use. Okay, I mean, this is how you can generate your image and video prompt together for faceless YouTubers. Okay, I'm going to show you a trick. After this video is generated, I'm going to show you a trick that you can use to generate more than 10, 20, 30 videos in a day. Okay, now guys, the video is ready. Look at it here. The video is ready. All you have to do is play your video. Okay guys, you play your video to be sure it is what you want. Of course, it's going to be what you want because you copy the prompts. Okay, now this is it guys. So all you have to do is just long press and save your video. Okay, you save your video is downloading. Once it's downloaded, you can save in your gallery guys. Okay, now let's check the other one. Okay, the other one have not generated. Okay, I've already chosen one, no need of waiting for this one. Okay, now guys, let's go back, let me show you. Okay, this one is done. Now I have generated a video, which means let's check how many my credit still remaining. My credit still remaining 26 credits. If I want to generate another video now, it's just remaining about 2 credits alone. Okay, now guys, let me go and generate the second one. I've generated the first image and video prompt. Okay, I copy and go back again. All you need to do is just paste your script again and send, and your video will be generated. Okay, this pattern I use, I don't know if any of you notice it. Okay, initially when I started my Faceless YouTube channel, all I do is I will go and generate my video after generating about 30 to 40 images, after generating my images, depends on the long video, how many minutes it takes, I have to go back to animate and turn it into video, guys. Trust me, it's not easy, but I have to find out this trick that I will ask ChatGPT to give me the image and video prompt, and it's working. It's working perfectly well. Okay, now guys, after this is done generating, you will see that we have exceeded the credits in this account. Now I'm going to show you how you can do what, generate another 2 images using another what, email. Okay, now after this is done, play your image to be sure. Okay, yeah, that's what I want. Okay, now after you are done, you now press okay and save your video. Now after saving your video, you go back. Okay, you go and log out from this account. Okay, once you log out from this account, you are going to use another account, guys. Okay, like I show you now, I have about 9 accounts. I'm going to use another account to do what, to sign in. Okay, now this is the trick, guys. The trick is that you have to create multiple accounts for this. Okay, if you don't have money, guys, to subscribe for paid AI tools, then use this trick. Okay, this trick is working for me. Count how many accounts you are seeing here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 accounts. 2 multiplied by 8, that is 16. In some videos, especially my short video, I don't use up to 16 images. Okay, so this trick will help you to save money pending when you get money, start earning, so that you can be able to pay or subscribe for any AI tools. Okay, now let's use another account so that you see that I'm going to get another 50 credits. Okay, now guys, this is it. You tap on your account, say it's another 50 credits, 50 Google Flow credits. Now that 8 accounts you see there, I'm going to create more too, because I want to make it 20 videos every day, because this is my second phone. In my other phone, that's how I do it. After grading here, I go to the other phone and continue. Before you know it, I'm done grading my video for that particular script, and I will come the next day. Guys, I have not been paying any money on AI tools. This is the strategy I use. Okay, so go and use this strategy, practice it. If you work, not if it's work, it is going to work. Yes, just go to your Gmail. From your Gmail there, you create a new Gmail. Okay, so guys, go and use this trick. It's working. And stop wondering yourself about AI paid tools. Okay, go and use this trick and thank me later. All right, thank you for watching. If you are watching the end of this video, I appreciate you. Go and practice this trick. It's going to work for you.